In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. Whether you're a designer exploring the vast array of tools that Figma offers, or a newcomer eager to make a start, this guide will simplify the process of resizing icons, making your designs even more impressive and versatile. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Figma website. It's a collaborative interface design tool that many of you might already be familiar with, offering a versatile platform to craft and share designs. Once the Figma homepage loads, look for the login button. If you already have an account, simply click on login to proceed. If not, it's easy to create an account and get started with this powerful tool. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Figma homepage. Here you can see all your recent projects and any shared files. Figma's interface is user-friendly, and navigating through the various options is typically quite intuitive. Now that you're on the homepage, the next step is to go to your design projects. You'll find a design tab within the application, which is where the magic happens when working with various elements, including icons. Once you're in the design area, it's time to locate the icon that you want to resize. Icons are often stored in various frames or groups within your project file, so make sure you've selected the correct one that you wish to adjust. With the icon selected, the crucial part comes in. To maintain the icon's proportions while resizing, you'll need to hold down the Shift key. This ensures that when you drag to resize, the icon doesn't become distorted, retaining its original shape and aesthetic. After pressing Shift, click on one of the corners of the icon and drag it either outward to increase its size or inward to reduce it. By doing this step carefully, your icon will resize proportionately. The precision in resizing icons not only enhances their appearance, but also ensures they integrate seamlessly within various design contexts. Remember, each design choice, including size adjustments, affects the overall flow and functionality of your final product or interface. Feel free to adjust the icon's size to fit perfectly into your design layout, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully resized an icon within Figma. This fundamental skill is just one of many that can elevate your projects and broaden your design capabilities. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please consider exploring more tutorials to improve your efficacy and creativity in Figma. With consistent practice, the intricacies of design within Figma can be wielded efficiently to empower your creative visions. Happy designing, and thanks for watching.